Chiliz value sort of equivalent to $0.1320 a coin, which really is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 0.1291 0.1329 in a sort of huge manner. The earlier day close, 0.1303, which is very huge. The change sort of was plus 0.0017, plus 1.30%, or so they especially thought. Opposite rate, USD to CHC, which by and large is very critical. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they certainly thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $0.12, extremely greatest 0.13, really least 0.11. Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 24, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, really least 0.11, showing how Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an essentially significant manner. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.12, by and large most extreme 0.13, essentially least 0.11, or so they thought. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.12, fundamentally most extreme 0.13, beautiful least 0.11, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, extremely least 0.11, which in a real sense is very huge. Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.12, exceptionally greatest 0.13, really least 0.11 in a genuinely huge way. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, sort of least 0.11 in an essentially significant manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, really least 0.11, or so they in a real sense thought. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, fundamentally least 0.11 in a really significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.12, truly most extreme 0.13, lovely least 0.11, showing how Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.12, beautiful greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11. Chiliz figure on Monday, May 8, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.12, especially most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in a very huge way. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.12, really most extreme 0.13, by and large least 0.11 in an unobtrusive manner. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.13, greatest 0.14, certainly least 0.12, or so they generally thought. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 12, cost $0.14, lovely greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13, which by and large shows that Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.12, most extreme 0.13, fundamentally least 0.11 in an essentially significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.14, really greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13, showing how Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, beautiful least 0.13, which generally is genuinely huge. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.14, most certainly greatest 0.15, beautiful least 0.13 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.14, beautiful greatest 0.15, really least 0.13, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.14, kind of most extreme 0.15, fundamentally least 0.13. Chiliz figure on Monday, May 22, cost $0.14, especially greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, showing how Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11, or so they for the most part thought. USD to CHC conversion standard pretty equivalent to 7.5739 coins per $1, so really backwards rate, USD to CHC. Today, S-reach 7.5226 minus 7.7459, which truly is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 7.6746, or so they certainly thought. Change for now 0.1007. 1.31%. Pretty further appearance how Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.12. By and large greatest 0.13. Really least 0.11. Showing how Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.12. For the most part most extreme 0.13, kind of least 0.11 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHC cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 21, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, especially least 7.692, which especially is genuinely critical. USD to CHC expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 8.333 coins, sort of greatest 9.091, especially least 7.692 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 8.333 coins, extremely greatest 9.091, by and large least 7.692 in an especially significant manner. USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 8.333 coins, fundamentally greatest 9.091, all things considered, least 7.692, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 8.333 coins, truly greatest 9.091, especially least 7.692, or so they especially thought. USD to CHC expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, extremely least 7.692, so Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 22, cost $0.14, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.15, in every way that really matters, least 0.13, showing how Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.12, kind of most extreme 0.13, all things considered, least 0.11. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091, kind of least 7.692, or so they especially thought. USD to CHC expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 8.333 coins, most extreme 9.091, fundamentally least 7.692 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 8.333 coins, for the most part greatest 9.091, sort of least 7.692, which basically is very critical.